Hello everyone, I am Gaurang Shah from Ahmedabad. I am by profession an engineer. I am having my own business. I am working in the healthcare industry, mainly dealing with the operation theatre products and the ICU products and the consumables also. Now, this epidemic had really understood that whatever the money we have, till the life we run a lot, we earn a lot. But if we are not on our immunity, if we are not fit and healthy, we really understand that people have lots of problems with this condition. The are infected with the COVID disease, and there are maybe this kind of viruses, fungi, such bacterias are going to be there. But if we are not fit and healthy, that will affect a lot. Now I just wanted to convey saying that I had some study for water, the drinking water and the water available on the earth. If you really see the nature, there is a 70% earth is covered by the water. The same way human body is also consist of every 70% of the water. It means the each organ of the body has different percentage of water. Like blood is having almost 90% of the water, kidney, liver, bones, skin, each individual part, the brain, important of any individual human being. It is also consist of 85% of the water. So now we need to understand what is the water is, and if we really have understanding that the weightage are more in whatever, like students is learning his lessons, his he's reading the his book, and he understand that there is a particular chapter he's having a weightage of 70% and the others have a 30%. So what he will do, yes, he will do focus only on that 70% part first, that may be later on the 30%. Now if we really consider this, we understand this, that whatever the life we are living in till date, we almost had focused only on that 30%, that is the food we eat. We never had focused on the 70% of that water which of our bodies consist of. So this is serious game now. We need to understand the water really in a serious way. The thing is, we need to drink the water at least by half an hour. That is a so a half glass of water, and that is also kind of a, you need to chew the water. It means if you see any of the animals, birds, the way they drink the water, we need to drink that way. Now why I'm saying this, because it's again related to our health. There is one book written by one of the doctor. He's saying that you are not sick, you are thirsty. It means whatever the disease we have or whatever the problems we have, like gastritis, is immediately going to be resolved if you take 1 2 3 glass of water. But then there is a way how to drink the water. So it is really understand the things, saying that we human body needs to drink the water every half an hour, and that is at least a half glass of water. That is also chew, you need to chew the water. So you need to have a control on this, like you should have a tap in your hand. Slowly it should be, inhale one sip by one sip, it should be inhale in the body, so all the salivas will go inside that water, and that will really help a lot. Understand that the acidity is a main cause of all the diseases, and we need to balance that things by drinking water in a right way. So please ensure that how we can drink the water, and why it is also required, because as I said, the 70% of the bodies consist of water. Now what is the indication that you are in need of water? So sometimes the doctors always saying that what is the color of your urine, because by color of that he can immediately diagnose what is going to happen, and why the urine examination can be done. So if it is a white in color, so that means you are hydrated, there is no need of water now. If it is yellowish, slightly yellowish, that may be indication of that you need a half glass of water. And if the color is slightly going darker and darker, it means that you need immediate 1 or 2 glass of water. Drink that. Body needs that. The thirst is the last indication of the body saying that you are thirsty. Now drink the water. So it is absolutely not supposed to be done like that way. We should drink at least half glass of water by 30 minutes, every 30 minutes. So by this, today the thing is, it is called hydration. Hydration is very important of our body. If we are hydrated, there will be majority of the diseases can be addressed, and that time you are not going to be sick if you are really hydrated always. So this is my advice. Drink that, change your habit. Drink in a way that you need to drink sip by sip, and have a healthy and wealthy life. In case if any doubts, any clarification you're seeking of, please send a message, call. I'll be more happy to brief you again on this. Thank you so much. Thanks.